In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailchimp list ID. This small piece of information is crucial for a variety of tasks, such as integrating your Mailchimp account with other platforms, or customizing your email marketing campaigns more efficiently. Thankfully, locating this ID is straightforward once you know where to look, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To start, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp's login page to begin. It's important that you're logging in from a secure and private connection to protect your account details. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email, followed by your password. Take your time to ensure that your login credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. After successfully entering your information, simply click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From designing captivating email campaigns to managing your audience, the dashboard provides access to a wide range of features that help you connect with your audience effectively. Speaking of audiences, accessing your Mailchimp list ID requires you to navigate to the audience section of your dashboard. This can easily be found in the menu. Look for an icon or text that says audience and click on it. Once you're in the audience section, your next step would be to click on all contacts. This will take you to a page where you can view everyone you've added to your Mailchimp account. Seeing your contacts can be quite rewarding, as it represents all the potential and existing relationships you've cultivated through your marketing efforts. Now, to navigate closer to finding your Mailchimp list ID, you'll need to click on Settings. This tab is usually located towards the top of your screen, amongst other options. Clicking here will direct you to a variety of settings related to your audience and how you manage them. Within the settings menu, locate and select audience name and defaults. This option is crucial as it holds various default settings for your audience, including, importantly, the Mailchimp list ID we are after. After selecting audience name and defaults, you're just one step away from finding that elusive list ID. Look for a section titled Audience ID. This is typically located at the top of the page you just navigated to. Here you'll find a series of numbers or a combination of letters and numbers. That's your Mailchimp list ID. It's a good idea to jot down this ID or keep the tab open if you're planning to use it immediately for an integration or another task requiring this information. Knowing your Mailchimp list ID can significantly streamline your workflow, especially when working with other platforms that require this piece of information for synchronization or integration purposes. Throughout this process, remember to navigate through your Mailchimp dashboard carefully and observe how different sections and functionalities are laid out. This familiarity is not only useful for locating your list ID, but also enhances your overall proficiency with using Mailchimp for your email marketing campaigns. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. While inside your Mailchimp account, take the opportunity to explore other settings and features available to you. Understanding more about what Mailchimp offers can inspire new ideas for engaging your audience and optimizing your email campaigns. Finding your Mailchimp list ID is a straightforward process that is essential for various tasks, from integrating with other platforms to customizing your campaigns. By following these steps, you can quickly locate your list ID and continue building meaningful connections with your audience. Whether you're a seasoned Mailchimp user or new to the platform, mastering these fundamental tasks is key to leveraging the full potential of your email marketing efforts. Remember, every small detail like a list ID plays a significant role in the success of your campaigns. So, go ahead, log into your Mailchimp account and put this knowledge to use. Happy emailing!